Okay, we're going to look at the product rule. The product rule applies when you are multiplying two bases that are the same. Okay, and the key is this rule can only be applied when this base is the same as this base. Okay, so what you have learned in the previous slides, let's take a base of 4 and an exponent of 7. Okay, remember this larger number is called the base, the smaller number up top is called the exponent. And we're going to multiply, by the way, the entire thing, when you put it together, is called a power. So base, exponent, and then the whole thing is the power. If I'm multiplying this, I don't know, 5, okay? Whenever I have the base and the exponents, if the base is the same, and that's critical, these bases are the same, they're both 4, I can put the base and I can add the exponents. So 7 plus 5 is 12. Right? The base does not change, okay? And the reality is, here's why. Why? Really, because 4 to the exponent 7 is 4. I should have used smaller ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 to the exponent 7, right, really means 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, 7 fourths. 4 to the 5, has 5 fourths, okay? And if you look at it closely, the brackets are useless because this is all multiplication times this is all multiplication. So if I just get rid of these brackets, it's still all multiplication. Well, now I'm taking 4 times 4 times 4, 12 times, giving me 4 to the 12. Okay? So if you have the same base, okay, and you can add the exponents anytime you're doing multiplication. And that's what the power rule is. Now the key is it doesn't work with different bases. I got a blue in here somewhere. So if I have different bases, like I say I have 3 to the 7 times 5 to the 2, that won't work, okay? Because what do I put here as a base? See, these were both 4, so 4 was the base. If one is 3 and one is 5, they're not the same. I don't have a base. Don't ever multiply it as not 15. It just doesn't work, okay? You'd have to do this the long way and say, well, 5 squared is 25, and 3 to the 7 is a big number. 81, 243, 729, I believe, and then that would be 21. So I think it's 2187. So you could not use a power rule. You'd have to actually do it the old way. Okay, I hope that makes sense. We'll do another rule soon.